Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Rafael Gerke and welcome to the demo for my CS50 web project number 2, Commerce. The challenge for this project was to design an e-commerce auctions website where users can post auctions listings, place bids, and leave comments on those listings. So this is the main page. Here we can see images, the title, and the description, and the current bid for each item. I've created some items here. Let's say I wanna log in here, so I can show you everything. So the login page. Now that I'm logged in, I can create a new listing if I want to. So let's do that. Let's do that for 1,000 weeks, and the description right here. Let's say $15, and the image for the book. And I'm gonna call it, the category is books, movies, and music. When I submit here, I am taken to the listing page. Here we have the title, the description. Since I am the one who created the auction, the listing, I am able to close it, but I'm not going to do it now. Here we have some details, and I can leave a comment right here, like, wow, good book. When I comment, shows right here. So this page changes when some other person is looking at it. So I'll show it. So now I've logged in as admin, and the page is a little bit different since I'm not the one who created the listing. I have some other options here. So I can place a bid. Let's say I want to pay $20 for the book. I place the bid, and the value is changed right here. It says that my bid is the current bid. Bid placed successfully, and I can see Rafael's comment right here. Some other options in this page. I can add the item to my watch list. Item added to your watch list is okay. I can remove it. Since I added it to my watch list, I can see it on this page. So it's right here. I can see, let's see, I have the categories page. So here we have the book category, electronics, fashion, how many items are there in each category. So here we have the 5 books, maybe fashion items, maybe some home and garden items. Here they are. I can see on this page, I can see my own listings. So as admin, I have created these items. You can see them right here. So this one is closed, and it shows right here. The current bidder is Rafael Gerke. It was actually sold to him for $160, and Rafael is invisible now. Great. What else? I have here my wins. So the items that I have purchased as admin are shown here. You can see the page right here. Auction closed. There was only one bid. So to admin, it's okay. And here is the admin page. So in this page I can change anything I like, listings, comments, bids, users. I have full access here. I can change the item, whatever I want, the current bid, categories, sellers, and see everything, save them right here. And this is it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.